Engine ignition, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV Heavy rocket.
Space. It's not just about rockets. It's not just about satellites and space stations and astronauts.
At Space Foundation, we believe that space is about uniting and inspiring the hearts and minds of everyone.
Space is about going beyond, into the unknown, and by doing so, innovating the grandest and tiniest of things.
Space is for everyone, and we believe that by advocating for innovation, we are bettering life on Earth.
The innovative scientists, engineers, business leaders, and entrepreneurs who are driving today's space ecosystem are creating a new era of access and opportunity.
This work does more than inspire countless others, because when we learn about space, we learn about ourselves. Founded in 1983, driven by a partnership model, Space Foundation is a nonprofit advocate organization. We provide a gateway to information, education, and collaboration for space exploration and space-inspired industries that define the global space ecosystem. Our Symposium 365 program is the premier source for trusted information, media, and events. Our world-renowned annual Space Symposium that brings thought leaders together for networking and business development is only one part. Our Space Report provides authoritative news and trusted information about the ever-changing universe of space activities. And our Symposium 365 digital platform is always on, always available, with new programming that keeps up with the constant changes in space. Cell phone cameras, GPS navigation, weather forecasting, satellite broadcasting, sunglasses, clothing, medical devices. Through our space certification program and our Space Technology Hall of Fame, we recognize and honor the inventions, inspirations, and innovations developed for use in space that all of us use every day.
Nothing is more important than learning, and our Center for Innovation and Education offers a lifelong learning platform. We provide workforce development and economic opportunity for students, teachers, entrepreneurs, and professionals through in-person and online programming.
Our ever-expanding and exciting Space Foundation Discovery Center, located at our headquarters in Colorado Springs, provides hands-on ways to learn about space exploration and the thousands of ways that space makes everyday life better on Earth.
The Space Foundation provided me with the opportunities to bring my students into those areas, and I wouldn't be able to have that if it wasn't for them. I've gotten to collaborate with people who are in the space industry that I wouldn't ever get that opportunity before.
Space is a global enterprise, and our Global Alliance programs facilitate collaboration with commercial, education, and government stakeholders around the world. We open dialogues among the 80-plus spacefaring nations of the world, and we help businesses, organizations, and entrepreneurs in every country find new ways to make space accessible, relevant, and affordable.
The Space Foundation is a place that is open to everybody. No one is left out, and that's what's important. When we talk about diversity, there's traditional diversity, race, gender, culture, but there's also diversity of thought. Whether you're in business, education, entrepreneur, industry, it's a gathering place and a place for education for everybody.
As advocates for space, Space Foundation believes that there is a place in space for everyone. We believe that when we solve for space, we solve for Earth.
If you didn't know it, you're already part of the global space ecosystem.
To survive in space, likewise to survive on Earth, sound decisions require trusted information, education, and collaboration. Space Foundation provides these three elements to students, educators, business leaders, governments, organizations, and everyday people too.
It's no longer just about rockets and astronauts. There is a place in space for everyone, and you never know where your involvement may lead. At Space Foundation, we invite you to join us in those possibilities as we advocate for space to improve life here on Earth.
There is no better time to be part of the global space ecosystem. Come join us.